Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to embed a Fulfill Engine web store into a WordPress site that is being edited with Elementor. So first you're going to create a new page in WordPress and then click Edit to edit with Elementor, and it should pop up looking something like this. Ours says test because that's what we call the page. And so what you're going to do next is over here under elements, just grab an HTML block and go ahead and drag it in. And over in Fulfill Engine, when you're on a store page, if you scroll down here to Embedded Store, click on that. It'll give you some instructions. So first we're going to copy this block of code by clicking that little icon. And we're going to come over here and we're going to paste that into the HTML block that we added. And next it says to add the script tag. So essentially we're just going to add another little HTML section. Come over here, copy this bottom set of code and go ahead and paste that in like so. And now if you publish the website, it should be working. So now we're going to go to view page. And you can see that it is working. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.